Well, today is November the 5th, Monday, November the 5th. We got hit with a heavy, wet snowfall, and we had no hydro all night. And I guess the steers and the heifers found that the wire wasn't hot all night. So they broke out and they got into the main yard here, into the hay, into all the pumpkins that we had for the pigs. We were giving the steers pumpkins and stuff, one or two at a time, but this tub was right piled high sky, and they pulled every pumpkin out and they've been chewing away at them. They're right in the main yard here now, and you can see a brown heifer way down there chomping on a pumpkin halfway down the hill there, the red collar on. Even though they got pumpkins in over there, they had to come out here because there was all this nice hay out here for them. And I come out here this morning and this is what I find. Eating pumpkins. Pigs are eating pumpkins. Been getting truckloads of pumpkins dropped off here by these sweet young ladies. Very damp out here today. We're at 31 degrees. It's very sloppy and messy. But they broke out down here. You can see where the whole herd of tracks come from. You can see all the tracks in the snow here. And being that T-posts are so expensive at $5.99 a piece, I've been just using 3/8 round bar for the fence. And you can see they come right through that fence there, just by the shipping container. You can see a yellow insulator on a 3/8 rod. Well, they mowed that down because we were without hydro from 11 o'clock last night till after 6 this morning. And that's where they all come up. You can see all the tracks. They just herded all the way up through here. So I fixed the fence and I've been trying to drive them back, but with the tasty pumpkin there, they don't want to move. I push them and they just make a circle around me. Is that good pumpkin there, Bessie? Is that good pumpkin? Is that good pumpkin?